Hello everyone, welcome to this Bold Reports tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to handle the toolbar item click, export item click, report print before parameter add, and view report click events in a React application, so you can respond to toolbar actions, export selections, printing, and parameter updates. Events are specific actions or occurrences in a report or its components that you can respond to programmatically. By listening to these events, you can execute your own logic. For this demo, I already have a React application configured with the Bold Reports Report Viewer component. You can find the setup reference link in this video's description. I'm using a sample sales order detail report, and the viewer is ready to render it. First, I open app.js and wire up the toolbar item click handler in the report viewer component. This event fires whenever a user clicks a toolbar item. Next, I create the onToolbar item click method and add a simple alert to confirm which toolbar action was selected. I run the application and load the report. When I click a toolbar item, the event is triggered immediately and the alert confirms the click. Next, I add the export item click handler and map it to an onExport item click method. This event is triggered when a user selects an export format from the export menu. I implement the method to display the chosen export format, like PDF or Excel, to verify the selected type. After refreshing the browser, I click PDF export and the alert displays the export type. Now, I set up the report print handler and implement the onReport print handler in app.js. This event is triggered when the user clicks the print option in the toolbar. Inside the method, I add an alert message to confirm the print action. Next, I refresh the application and click print. The event fires and shows the message. The report parameter order ID loads with its default value. If you want to override or change a parameter value before it's applied to the viewer, you can use the beforeparameteradd event. I add the beforeparameteradd handler and implement the onBeforeParameteradd method in app.js. Inside the method, I update the parameter value. Then, I refresh the page and the report loads using the updated order ID value, confirming the event is applied before rendering. Lastly, I add the viewreportclick handler and the onViewReportClick method. This event is triggered when the user clicks View Report after changing parameter values. Inside the method, I add a message to confirm whether the parameter value is updated or not. I refresh the viewer, update the parameter value, and click View Report. The event triggers and the alert message appears. In this video, I demonstrated how to use Bold Reports Report Viewer events to respond to toolbar actions, export selections, printing, parameter initialization, and view report clicks in a React application. To learn more about Bold Reports, you can visit boldreports.com. If you don't have a Bold Reports subscription, you can try out the platform with a free trial. If you prefer a demo from an expert, selecting Request Demo allows you to schedule one. If you found this video useful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like it. Thanks for watching.